Ever heard of pipe relining? Time to watch and learn. Broken pipes can be repaired without the need to dig them up for replacing. And that's done with pipe relining. This process entails inserting a brand new durable pipe inside of a pipe that has already been damaged. Relining the pipe makes it totally leak-proof and prevents any additional breaks in the pipe system. This process needs a lot of dedication and hard work, to say the least. But it's nothing short of mesmerizing and satisfying to watch. This guy is definitely the master at this job. This pipe is in need of a relining, and we will show you the process of removing the cracks. This is definitely not something that could be finished in a few minutes. This guy is taking care of every single detail in there. The pipe relining is coming out great. We can't help but be impressed by his work. Stay tuned till the end to see the exceptional transformation. The process is actually oddly pleasing. Look at this drastic difference. All that hard work is worth a watch. There are actually different methods when it comes to pipe relining. But don't go yet. We have one more pipe relining to show you, and it's truly incredible. So much effort and tireless work. And voila! We're at a loss for words. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in our next videos.